Now more than any other, because we've got forced air heating systems and we've turned on every portable heater we own. We've got a great portable heater coming up a little bit later on. We've closed our windows, closed our doors. We're not only warming our homes, we're sucking the moisture out of that house as well. And what happens is it makes us feel brittle and dry and uncomfortable. You wake up in the morning scratchy, and you feel that way in your home throughout the day. This is Homedics, one of their largest units. It's designed for big rooms, and it's clearance sale priced at under $60. Shipping and handling is absolutely free, and we have it on Easy Pay. And the Easy Pay allows you to take 4 months to pay for it, which is a great way to go. Those payments are extraordinarily reasonable. I want to introduce you to Brooke Mills. She's one of our personal care people. How are you?
Oh, I'm great.
Welcome
Good morning.
back.
Thank you.
We've got 3 colors left.
Yes.
One of the colors already sold out. This is Homedics' biggest unit here at QVC, isn't it?
Yeah, it's by Homedics, the leader in health and wellness, and this is their biggest unit, and it's their most fully featured. And you're getting so much, so many bells and whistles here. But what I love most about this, it has what they call clean mist technology,
right?
Which ensures that there's no mold or mildew growing on the inside of the tank. Ultrasonic technology, so it's silent. 1.4 gallon tank, so you're getting 65 hours of runtime on low on this.
So how many nights? We're talking about a week's worth of nights without having to fill it again.
8 nights without having to refill it.
Nice.
That's huge.
Okay.
You're also getting a demineralization cartridge. So if you know you have hard water, we have you covered. You just pop this in the tank when you fill it, and you're set for 50 fills.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Awesome.
And this is not the type of humidifier from when I was a young parent.
Definitely not. No.
The whole idea is to get rid of the science
I don't know what
fair
you had, but I'm
project.
pretty sure this wasn't it.
But the old units would build up sludge in them, and that sludge was microbes. It was terrible. And this is cool mist. It's not steam. Steam is hotter than boiling water. This is a cool, energizing mist that allows us to replenish moisture back into our homes. And most of our homes, although we have thermostats on the wall, very few have humidistats to tell us what the humidity levels are.
And that's what I love about this. So it is their fully featured. You do have a color-coordinated remote that this comes with, but I will go through the tour on the unit itself.
Very few humidifiers have a remote control.
This is very true. So now you can place this wherever you want in your home, and you have that right by your bedside if you want it. So you have that on-off switch right here. You have a night light. So it's great if you know that if you're waking up in the middle of the night or if you have it in a child's room. But if you press that twice, the unit will be dark, but the unit will still be running.
Right.
So you have that option here. Here's that humidistat that you were talking about. Treat that just like the thermostat in your home. Select the level of humidity, and it'll work its way up. A timer anywhere from 2 to 24 hours. But here, this is what sets this unit apart.
Agreed.
You have a warm or cool mist option. So
some people feel that in a bedroom setting, that the cool mist chills a room.
Right.
Makes you feel chilly or uncomfortable. By warming that mist, and we're not talking about to the level of steam, but just warming it, especially when we've got the cold or you've got the flu.
Absolutely.
Or
It's
you're
just really
congested.
soothing and comforting.
Yes.
You also have 5 different
This
mist
is the
levels,
only
by the way.
humidifier in our inventory that I'm aware of that has a warm setting to it.
That is very true. And it's a really nice option. You can actually feel the difference right here because mine is on
I'm on cool.
warm and you're on cool. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I just
you
love
do.
this. Love this.
You find people gathered
feel
around. Yes, you do.
I know everyone's been
noticed it on
gathering
my
because
dog's
it's so
pads.
dry in here. The what?
My dog's pads in the winter get scruffy.
Yep.
And we feel it. There's not only medical benefits to having a humidifier in your home, there's actually some beauty benefits to it as well.
Definitely a beauty secret in disguise. But there's actual claims that I'm going to read from the Medline website because scientists have actually weighed in and researched, and we have proof here that humidifiers can really be beneficial to us. So number one, according to the Medline website, which is run by the National Institute of Health, humidifiers increase the humidity in your home to help eliminate the dry air that can irritate and inflame the passages in your nose and throat. So that's what you were speaking about earlier.
Yep.
When you're waking up in the morning, you feel really stuffy, your throat hurts, you think you're getting sick, but most likely you just have to put that moisture back into the air.
You make noises in the morning that you don't make at any other time of the day.
This is true. Humidified air can help relieve some discomforts of the colds and flu. So if you are sick, if you have a loved one that's sick, look, we're not making any medical claims here, but this is certainly going to give you some comfort. And lastly, humidified air helps maintain skin moisture and helps alleviate dry skin. I'm telling you, beauty secret in disguise. Put this in every room if you can, because I'm telling you, we put on that moisturizer, but it's so nice to know that when you're sleeping or if you're sitting in a room, that this is putting the humidity back into the air, and you really will feel the difference in your skin, in your hands, static cling, even in your cuticles you'll feel a difference.
I'm no beauty expert. We have a whole beauty channel here at QVC, but I can tell you they're always talking about moisturizing. Always.
Absolutely.
Hydration,
you can't get enough of
moisturizing.
it right now.
And this time of year, because we've got our heater systems cranked,
Yep.
I had a whole week where I don't think my heater shut off for a second because we were well below freezing here in the Philadelphia area. It's time to add that humidity back into your home. Easiest way to do it is right here. The tank is super easy to fill, and it's a manageable size tank. For a lot of you, you won't have to go to the bathtub to fill it up.
Exactly.
It'll easily in the kitchen or a bathroom sink. It's the one unit that I know of that has a remote control. It has an antimicrobial plastic so that you don't worry about the buildup of the bad things.
Yep, no filters to replace, no filters to buy. That Clean Mist technology ensures that you don't have any mold or mildew growing on the inside of the tank. And Homedics really went back and they designed this specifically so you no longer have to go to the bathtub and fill it up and lift this heavy tank. So they made it shorter, so it will fit under most of your sinks, which I love, and I love the design. And that demineralization cartridge, again, if you know you have hard water, just pop it in that tank when you fill it, and that'll keep you going for about 50 fills.
That's
So
8
there's
nights.
everything. This unit has everything, and it's by Homedics, the leader in health and wellness.
Agreed.
And if you can put this in every bedroom, I really recommend it. But one of my favorite places to use it is actually in the living room because I have the fireplace going, I have the heat up, and I'm telling you, if you don't have that humidifier on, you really
become brittle.
You really do, and I think we're all familiar with it. But when you use a humidifier, you feel a difference, and I'm telling you, it's great for the skin. You don't have to use as much moisturizer.
The gray is
Totally
the
feels
most
good.
popular. I've got the white. We also have the blue here. This is clearance sale price. When these are gone, they're gone. We can't get them back into the inventory. We'll have to wait until next year for whatever their new model will be coming out in 2018. But we know how it works. That model will be more expensive. Get top of the line quality. Shipping and handling is free. We've got a very generous easy pay on it with 4 payments of $9.99. Brooke, thank you.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure. One of the colors did already sell out. We've got 3 great colors with us. We do make available additional demineralizing, that's a tough word,
Demineralization.